Introduction to JavaScript Indexof method. JavaScript provides various built-in methods for data manipulation. The Indexof method is used to find the position of a specific element in an array or a substring within a string. This method is useful in situations where developers need to locate specific data within larger datasets. Understanding the JavaScript Indexof method, Indexof returns the first index where the specified element is found in an array or string. If not found, it returns mega1. The method syntax when used with an array is array.indexElement start. The method syntax when used with a string is string.indexOf search value start. Here, element or search value is what we are looking for, and start is an optional parameter specifying the index to start the search from. Examples of JavaScript Indexof method. Example of Indexof with an array, 10, 20, 30, 50, let index 30, console log index, output 2. Example of Indexof with a string, let s equals hello world, let index equals index of world, console.log index 7. So, tips and tricks with JavaScript Indexof method. JavaScript is case sensitive. You need to match the case exactly when searching for a string using Indexof, or else Indexof will return -1. Use Indexof in a conditional to check whether an array includes an element without worrying about its index. If ard_index_of_element equals -1. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Indexof starts counting from 0, not 1. This can lead to off-by-1 errors. Indexof will not find nested arrays or objects. To avoid issues, match the case when searching strings. Understand that Indexof uses zero-based indexing, and remember that Indexof uses strict equality to test elements. For finding nested arrays or objects, consider using a loop or the find method instead. Conclusion: the Indexof method is a powerful tool in JavaScript for efficient data handling and manipulation. Understanding how to use it effectively and avoid common pitfalls can enhance your JavaScript coding skills.